Hello students, how are you all? I wish you all are doing good. And today we will read the chapter 3 from your EVS book, and the name of the chapter is Inside Our Body. Yes, in this chapter we will read our internal body parts. So now I will tell you about the internal body parts. The human body is like a machine. It is a living machine. It can see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. It can also move, grow, breathe, and reproduce. No machine can do all these. Yes, as everybody knows, human body is like a machine. एक machine की तरह होती है. And this machine can feel, can taste, can smell, can do everything. And except the human body, except this machine, no machine can do all these things. The human body is made up of many external and internal parts. All these parts carry out different functions. Yes, जो human body होती है, our human body is made up of many external and internal part. And today we will learn some internal body parts. So what are the internal body parts? Internal body parts are like brain, liver, stomach, heart, lungs, kidneys, small intestine and large intestines. These body parts are the internal body parts. Internal body parts क्या होता है? Internal body parts are the body parts which we cannot see. जो हम देख नहीं सकते, जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर होते हैं, internal होते हैं. Got it everybody? So now we will read about the brain. Okay, everybody know what is brain? Brain क्या है? Brain हमारा जो दिमाग होता है. Our brain is very delicate and is protected by a skull from outside. You can see the picture of the brain here. This is the brain and our brain is very delicate and it is protected. ये ऊपर से एक skull से, जो बाहर से एक skull से protected होता है. Okay, it is joined to the rest of the body through the spinal cord and nerves. You can see the diagram here. Brain controls the entire function of our body. Yes, brain जो होता है, it control all the functions of our body. हमारी body के जितने भी functions होते हैं, brain उनको control करता है. The brain has 3 main parts. Each part has its own function to perform. Brain के 3 main parts होते हैं और हर एक part का अपना अलग function होता है. You can see here in the diagram cerebrum, cerebellum and the medulla. Okay everybody, cerebrum. It is the main part of the brain. जो cerebrum होता है, this is the upper part. ये ऊपर जो होता है, yes, this one. It is the main part of the brain. ये brain का main part होता है. Cerebellum. It is an egg-shaped part under the cerebrum. Cerebellum जो होता है, वो cerebrum के अंदर एक egg shape का part होता है, like this. You can see here in the diagram. Now, medulla. It joins the brain to the spinal cord. जो medulla होता है, वो brain को spinal cord से join करता है. All this you can see in this diagram, brain and its part. Now we will read about the stomach. Stomach क्या होता है और stomach के जो function होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? We chew the food with our teeth. Chewing makes the food soft. The food then goes down to the stomach through food pipe. The stomach is a muscular bag. Stomach जो होता है वो एक muscular bag होता है, located on the left side of our body. हमारी body के left side में, you can see here in the diagram, this is the stomach and this is the small intestine, and here on the left this is the large intestine and this is the food pipe. Okay everybody, now our next topic is heart. Now we will read about the heart. Heart is an important organ of our body. Heart जो होता है वो हमारी body का एक important organ है. It works day and night. ये दिन और रात पूरे टाइम वर्क करता है. We can feel our heartbeats on placing our hand on the left side of our chest. If we put our hand on the left side of our chest, we can feel it. We can feel our heartbeats. Our heart beats about 72 times in a minute. हमारा जो हार्ट है वो कितने टाइम्स बीट करता है? इट बीट 72 टाइम्स इन अ मिनट. 1 मिनट में 72 टाइम्स बीट करता है. ओके, यू कैन सी द डायग्राम ऑफ द हार्ट. This is the diagram of the heart. You can see its parts also. Now our next topic is liver. This is the diagram of the liver. Liver lies on the right side of stomach. Liver कहाँ पर होता है? Stomach के right side पर. It is the largest gland in the body. Okay, so this is the diagram of the liver. This is our gallbladder. This is right lobe of the liver, and this is the left lobe of the liver. Okay, so now next topic is lungs. The air we inhale travels through windpipe, goes to lungs. Lungs are pair of spongy cone shaped which are located in chest and are protected by rib cage. You can see the diagram of the liver. These are the lungs. This is the rib cage. Okay, everybody. So now our next topic is kidneys. While breathing in air called inhalation, when we breathe in air that is called inhalation, our lungs expand, and while breathing out air called exhalation. Okay, breathing in is inhalation and breathing out is exhalation. Now we will start the next topic, which is kidneys. Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs in our body. This is the diagram of kidneys. You can see here in the diagram on the left and the right. These are the pictures of the kidneys in our body. The kidneys are located at both sides of our backbone. हमारी जो backbone होती है उस पर both side kidney होती है, left side भी और right side भी. Okay, now small intestine and large intestine. You can see the diagram here, small intestine and the large intestine. That upper one is the small intestine and this is in the center one, this is the large intestine. Okay, and now muscles. We will read about the muscles. Muscles are soft. We have more than 600 muscles in our body. Muscles जो होती हैं वो हमारी बॉडी में कितनी होती हैं? 600. We have 50 muscles in our face alone. हमारा जो फेस होता है उस पर ही हमारी 50 मसल्स होती हैं. We use about 17 muscles to smile. स्माइल करते टाइम हम 17 मसल्स एटलीस्ट यूज़ करते हैं. Okay, muscles are attached to the bones and help them move. Muscles जो होती है बोन से अटैच्ड होती हैं और मूव करने में हेल्प करती हैं. You can see the diagram here, muscular system. Okay, in this muscular system everything will be clear. You can see it. Now our next topic is bones. Press your body at different places. The hard part that you feel are bones. Bones क्या होती हैं? हमारी हड्डियाँ, right? जब भी हम अपनी बॉडी में if we pressed our body या if we pressed our hands, legs, जो hard part होता है that is the bones. वो होती हैं bones. You can see this skeleton system here. In this skeleton system everything is very clear. The skull, right? Everything. See, this is the skeleton system. Rib cage, everything is clear here. Okay, everybody? So this is all about this chapter is, and your topics are bones, muscles, large intestine, small intestine, kidney, lungs, liver, heart, stomach, brain, and the description about internal body. Okay, so what you have to do is read the chapter again, and I will send all the work, question answers, fill in the blanks on your school WhatsApp group. You have to do that work in your Fair EVS notebooks. Got it, everyone? Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe.